Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back in the studio with Pentair's new IntelliVibe Micro Light. I'm going to open this thing up and show you guys what comes in the box. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got Pentair's IntelliVibe. This is the micro version. They actually do have 3 total different types of this new IntelliVibe series light. It is a brand new light, just came out. It's middle of May right now. It probably came out about a month, maybe a month and a half ago. So I just want to kind of show you guys what comes included. This is the 100-foot micro version. They have a mezzo version, which you can actually use for like pergolas. And then they actually have like a small nano version, which is really cool. It actually works really well in those small top Baja steps and stuff like that. So if Danny, has the option, maybe we can put up some little pictures of those as well after we go through it. But I'm going to open this up and just kind of go over some stuff with you guys. So the whole new thing with this series, with the IntelliVibe series, is it actually has a better controller purpose for you guys in terms of how it control your lights. So let me get everything out. Smooth this out here. Set this up. Oh, real quick. Part number for this one, 602279. Again, this is a trade series item, so you are probably going to be able to pick these things up from a retail environment. So come visit us at our Phoenix store or our new Chandler store opening up soon. All right. So I got the light out. You guys could tell this looks identical to the actual micro bright that they've been around for years already. The one major difference comes down to how it actually hooks up to a controller. So these actually have a controller that is sold separately that actually creates different zones for your pool so that you can actually create the vibe of the backyard. So hence the name IntelliVibe. So they actually allow you guys to choose from an abundance of different colors compared to just their actual laid out series. They actually provide you like a color wheel where you can choose all different types. It's really cool. Once you have them all zoned out in your pool, you can have a bunch doing different colors, different things all at once. So really handy on the technology that they're putting into this light compared to the original micro bright. So one major difference though I want to tell you guys about is the 3-wire instead of the 2-wire. So your typical one, your typical micro bright's only going to have your black and your white, and those are going to just be your hookups. Well, now they're giving you the green. So the green is actually your communication now. It's not a ground. Do not plug this into a ground. It is a communication one. So as you have the controller, which we'll do a video when the controllers arrive to be able to show you guys like kind of how it hooks up and show you guys what it looks like. But the green is what's going to communicate with that to allow it to do all the different color changes in the series of however you set it up. So otherwise, basically all they're going to give you is your warranty card. They're going to give you a manual. Again, Pool Professional is your best bet in getting these installed and making sure they do fit into the same style fitting in the wall in your pool, but you cannot reuse these in conjunction of your current micro bright. You do have to make sure that you buy that controller separately, which is a whole nother ball game for you guys. So you can't just use these to replace the old ones. You have to make sure that you guys buy that extra controller, which again, we'll probably have in the link in the description below for you guys so you got more information. But they do give you the tool, which is always handy, this little plastic tool. Do not throw this away. It's very important if you do want to try to change this out later. It's a very unique tool to this light, so don't throw that away. And then, of course, they give you the seal and some lubrication for installation purposes. But again, your pool professional, your builder, whatever it may be, will have all that. And then make sure that they just leave you that tool so that for future reference down the line, you guys have the ability to change these out if something does happen. But really cool light. I love the way that they actually function together in the pool. We had the opportunity to go to a showing for it. It was really awesome to see how you can break it up in all different zones around the pool and actually provide like a dimmable light as well as different colors of the greens and the blues and just all the way around. It's a much better quality light than it is from its predecessor of the regular micro bright. So highly recommend the IntelliVibe Micro if you guys are looking to put some more lights into your pool as you're building it, or if you guys are doing a remodel, highly suggest you guys grabbing these. So just want to show you guys what comes included in the box. Again, check out the links in the description and make sure that you visit us on ePoolSupply.com. Till then, I'm Kyle.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.